Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super exciting for us planned. We are loading up and going to a really cool event that we've been waiting a long time for. Now you might recall back in August I filmed a video about a place called Gutted. It was a cool van event where a bunch of people came together in the middle of the desert, and in 5 days they took down 3 vehicles, a bus, a van, and a school bus from bare bones and built them out into something spectacular. Now, while we were at the event, there were tons of cool things that we were doing as spectators, but also they had teams put together that were filming something pretty cool. Now it's finally available for us and we are going to go. So right now, Ladybug At, Nomadic Nanny, and myself, we are all fueling up for the ride. We're just a little bit outside of Kansas City and it is time for the fun. Now, for all of those who participated in the event initially, they're doing this particular screening, which is going to have all the episodes available for us to see on a big screen at a drive-in theater, and we get to camp out there overnight, so that's going to be a super cool experience also. But then they're going to be amping up for the next Gutted event, which is going to be taking place in the Kansas City region also, so that's going to be pretty cool. I can't wait to see what they did, guys, and you are coming with me to see what this looks like. It's gonna be a fun ride, it's gonna be a wild ride, and you guys can't even imagine how excited I am right now. So let's go. Well, I definitely have to say we picked kind of a crazy part of the day to make this little trek because we are hitting some of the rush hour, that's for sure. It's about 5 o'clock. We can't go into the event until about 7 o'clock, but we are inching closer to the event venue. We're currently on the Kansas side of Kansas City, and wow, I haven't ever been here before. It is so green and lush right now. It is beautiful, and there's all sorts of really cool looking stuff, so I might have to explore the city a bit more, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Gosh, guys, we had a little bit of extra time on our hands and we stopped off at the Shawnee Mission Park. Oh my goodness, this place is awesome. I'm definitely coming back here for sure. Check out this view. Like, this view was everything, and it just brought me so much peace before we get to the real action today. This place is epic. Because we're gonna be up all night. We need some coffee, so we're at Starbucks, the best place on earth to get coffee. Absolutely. Dee, are you excited? We're about to go to the Gutted thing. Look at these, look at these. Woo! We made it, and I can't wait. This is gonna be super exciting. Dee, isn't this the coolest thing ever? Yeah. I'm so excited. Now we gotta go see who's here. So let's go walking. Let's go. Okay, so we made it. We kind of checked out the lay of the land. We're checking out the view. Now, so something that's kind of crazy about me is I have been thinking that Dimples needs a roof deck, and Ladybug out here, she has one. So I'm getting the feel of it, seeing if I like it. Dee, yes. This is awesome. Like this is awesome. And if we turn around, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Oh! This is gonna be epic. This is gonna be so epic. outside. I don't understand. My goodness, so much chaos, and the thing hasn't even started, but look who I found. Stephanie, what's your channel?
Shut up, Stephanie.
That's right, she started a channel since I last saw her. Wild what happens, guys, wild. Okay guys, it's getting closer, it's getting closer. It's gonna be so fun, guys. I am looking forward to this so much, and it's been great to see everybody kind of over here taking their photos. In fact, we took a few photos. Okay, so right now, see what's going on behind us? Well, look at this. It's on the big screen. It's getting so exciting. And look at this sky tonight, guys. It's almost finished, but it still has a little bit of a pinky tone to it. From whenever we were in the desert, it's so nice.
What? You're in your car, and you can hear me. How about you honk your car right now? Hey! There's one. There's one. There's another. There's another. Hey, so thanks so much to everybody that came out. This was a real labor of love in many ways for not just, you know, us and making it, but for I think everybody involved, which you'll see in the show in a minute. We wanted to first make sure that everybody understands like what's going on tonight. So we're here, we're gonna watch the show, we're binge watching it. It's 5 episodes long. It's about 2.5 hours total long.
Nice.
The episodes will play, and when an episode finishes, it'll have a 10-second countdown. And then go into the next one. We're gonna pause after the second episode to do either bathroom breaks or if anybody has to head home, you know, because we're mostly adults and have to work, you know, and live our lives. Then that's cool too. But otherwise, we're stoked you're here. We're super thankful to, you know, I mean, there's a few people I really want to give a shout out to. Caleb Better, who is not here. He is at home in LA right now, making sure that this thing is 100% streamable tomorrow for everybody and that it's super accessible. And so, huge thank you to Caleb. And also he edited the show and is a maniac. So, huge thanks to Caleb. We have a cool partner with us here tonight that has come out, and they're Gear Mods. And they're in the show, which is pretty cool. So yeah, they make like really cool prefab cabinetry, and you know, if you're interested in that, if you're thinking about doing a rig or something, come chat with them. They're gonna be kind of like their cars over here. They'll be hanging out, so I'm sure they'd love to talk to you. And then, you know, big thank you to Heart Tools. They were like a big reason this was possible, and as well as many other brands and partners, Battleborn, Evanston, Airhead, Water. And a thank you to everybody that took a risk on us. Really, I think everybody, when we called them, they were like, I don't know about this, but okay. So, Adam, you want to say anything?
I mean, this is surreal to think that we spent like 2 years in the sand, it feels like. And now we're in this beautiful weather with gravel on the ground, and nobody's going to get stuck tonight. Crazy to think about. But yeah, I mean, I second Wes's thoughts on people taking a chance. I remember a couple of the first phone calls we had with some of the influencers, and so I want to give out a shout out to all the influencers that took a risk on us and gave their lives to this thing for, you know, however long it was. Felt like it was years for me, but yeah, we did it. Congratulations, Wes.
D, it's like 10 minutes away. Gasp, oh no! Look at this screen behind us though. Yes! Okay guys, they're about to start showing it. The countdown has begun. Stephanie and I are gonna go find it. Okay, we gotta go set up shop because they're gonna show 2 episodes and then take a bathroom break. So I'm gonna give you guys little sneak peeks, but you can stream this, just remember that.
The building will be allowed outside of this time. The van team has a 2006 T1 in Mercedes Sprinter. With hashtag vanlife, these rigs have become popular on-the-grid vehicles. They're pretty fake now. We don't take bribes. Hi guys! The yellow submarine. I was thinking there's enough time to lift it another like 3 inches, right? So this morning, we put on this.
So what they're doing is they're showing us the first 2 episodes, and then we get to take a potty break.
Yes.
So what do you think about the first 2?
Great. It's so fun to see it because when we were there, we didn't really get to see what they were doing.
We didn't get to see
so-
until the very end what they had done, so we could only see from a distance.
Yeah.
So
So it's kind of fun.
Yeah, I agree. I really enjoy this. Like, it's been cool, and the weather is perfect for this right now, I think.
Yes.
So we're just sitting
Do
up
they
on
know
the
where we
roof
are?
deck.
Yeah.
We're on the roof deck, just hanging out, watching this. But we're gonna take a brief intermission now, and I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back.
Judges think that too.
I'm concerned about the fact that we threw
Completed what none of them thought was possible. And to be honest, we weren't even sure either. Ultimately, the van team took home the gutted trophies by having the most completed, functioning rig. But all 3 teams, the RV.
We just finished. Dee, what did you think? 5 episodes.
It was good. It was really good. Yeah. It's,
I like how they
it'll
put
be
it
fun to watch.
together.
Yeah.
You guys will like it, so go and stream it. And we're gonna go get a few other opinions, maybe. It's kind of windy though, so I'm getting off the roof. Getting off the roof. Guys, the premiere is over. It was so fun, and now we're all camping here. I'm gonna finish off my coffee, which is now really bad, but you know, it is what it is. It was a super fun event. I'm really glad that I came out, and I can't wait for the big event for season 2. Now, I know there's a lot of things in the works, so I'll keep you guys posted, but yay, Gutted was fun. And this right here, that was awesome. That was so cool. Anyway, guys, if you have enjoyed coming along with me to the premiere tonight, please leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna go celebrate good times because the music is playing here, and it's time to have some fun.